Maganda hapon, guys. Hope you all are doing well. I think it's actually been like 2 days. We already did the vlog. Daddy, come here.
Good afternoon, guys.
We're actually all freshened up because we're planning to go to.
City Gate Mall. So, really we'll catch up there. We'll spend some time.
And then after that, we'll come back and maybe we'll do some other stuff.
Very hot. It's almost cold place already, but still hot. I think the weather change already, Nana. The summer is here.
Yeah, but it's okay. We can get more vitamin D.
Someone is very, very concerned about vitamin D. I guess recently started watching Dr. Bird videos.
Yeah, you should go watch his channel. He gives amazing advice for different things, what you should eat, what you shouldn't eat, and he gives you clarity on what you're actually eating and keeping into your body.
He's very famous.
Yeah. Oh, I think over like 2 million subscribers. That's a lot.
We did some exercise.
Yeah.
We stayed under sun for a while. Okay. Then we'll go. We'll take auto and go. Okay. We'll catch mommy there. So, what about my bald head? Is still okay or still
It's
feeling ashamed?
it's like this, like big now, like a few millimeters.
Want to wear hat?
It's
He
okay.
didn't let me come to his school without hat. I noted. Okay, after your school days and summer holidays, I will make you bald.
No,
It's good.
No.
Maybe you will get vitamin D direct, through your head.
Huh?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Guys, riding an auto like this is so nostalgic of India. In India, we always go to malls with auto. It brings back so many memories. Look, we have to act natural. Hello!
McDonald's time. Yeah, that's Happy Meal.
Can I have the other version?
You ask them there. Go.
Bring the phone.
Bring and then tell them I want to change. With salute, Daddy. With salute that guy. Correct? Quarter pounder? Huh? Last time was too much. At least now little less. Oh no, they did not give the sauce. It's here.
Thank you.
So?
What happened?
Okay, they changed.
Happy?
Don't be scared. Don't be shy, scared. Talk to people. Happy now? Not happy si Daddy Ram, guys.
I like the Big Mac.
Akala namin mas malaki ang quarter pounder sa Big Mac. Pero maliit pala. Hindi na siya satisfied. You want another one?
Okay.
I'm happy. You're happy? Because of Happy Meal! Tingnan nyo to siya, guys. Nag-order ulit, guys. Big Mac pa talaga. Hindi na kontento. I thought you're on diet. Huh?
Yeah, I'm on diet. I did eat, right?
One meal a day?
28, 24.
I want this also. You like this one last time, remember?
But I'm not eating right now.
Okay.
Maintenance decorator.
What do you want? Ah, sayo pa.
I want the gummies.
Gummy! I want you to have some biscuit or this one.
Hansel. Hansel.
You want Hansel? Okay, look for the Hansel. You both are so happy today dancing. Namin mahanap si Daddy Ram. Where is Daddy Ram now? Oh, Daddy Ram, we're looking for you.
Two different section. I'm in healthy section. You all in
Ah, seriously? What? Bounty Fresh? 1.3? 1.3. We're having some sagu, guys. Si Daddy Ram nagbabayad. Which one you like more? Pearl or cafe latte? You don't know? Have you tried the matcha? You like it? What is that face? I forgot actually what flavor we used to drink with sagu. Kalimutan ko talaga, guys. Sila di lang siguro naalala niya.
It's been more than 1 year.
What more than 1 year?
Last time
Not really.
Brand Lagu, it was last year.
Hmm? Buot.
2025.
In Victoria, we also tried there, right?
Yeah.
Grocery haul.
Sampiatos. Quaker chocolate Milo thing. I think.
Oh, why Daddy bought tabliya? So expensive, 220.
Can I
Oh
see?
my God, Ate Naren is selling this for a much cheaper price.
What's
I
that?
didn't know he wants tabliya.
What's tablia? What? Is that black chocolate?
It's made from 100% pure fermented cacao beans.
Oh, it's in the. Daddy watched some sort of video.
Ah.
Dr. Eric Bird.
Hmm.
He said that dark chocolate and this fermented things are really good. So I think he wants
Okay, some presto.
Ano? Ring bee. What's that? Peneta. I don't know what this is.
Peñato.
Oh,
It's like in
simanya,
India.
like simanya.
In India, peanuts with jaggery, but here it's peanuts with brown sugar.
Jaggery. It's made out of brown sugar.
Oh, this is also the same one.
Patatas. Potatoes. Patatas.
Chicken, can you put there outside?
Chicken.
Mama?
What's outside?
Yeah,
Ketchup.
Daddy will cut it. From some choco pie for Ryan. Kaka-grocery lang namin, guys, kaya hindi pa kami masyado talagang kailangan bumili ng mga groceries. Pero yung mga konti-konting ano lang. Corned beef. Monde. Usually pang snacks nila yan. Chia seeds.
Yes. So big.
And milk. Always. Kailangan ng milk, guys.
Also Hansel. My favorite biscuit. My favorite biscuit.
Happy?
Yeah.
Enjoyed?
Yeah.
Ryan, look at Dad. After eating one Big Mac and one quarter pounder, eating now
balancing.
I want more. I want to eat something again.
cucumber and
Cucumber?
lettuce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yummy.
Does cucumber taste good?
That's what's inside the burger a while ago.
Enjoy the video. Not really.
Is it real, Lana? Yummy, right?
Really good. I told you.
He's trying to hold it in.
We have so many things you want to eat. This egg also egg.
We don't want to eat dinner. Too full already, guys.
I'm just balancing it because my time window is closing soon. That's why.
Nag-i-edit lang ako ng video, guys. Meron na pala kaming ulam. Niluto ni Daddy Ram kanina. Ano ito? Brinjal curry with anong tawag nito? Nakalimutan ko na. Dry tamarind juice and egg. Pero busog pa ako. Hindi na ako kakain. It's already 9 o'clock. And medyo sleepy na din. Update pala sa away ni Mister at ng kanyang nanay. Medyo nag-uusap-usap na sila, guys. Tinawagan ni Mister nung isang araw. Nag-usap sila mga ilang minuto and then kahapon nag-usap na naman sila. So magiging okay din eventually. At least hindi na masyadong umiiyak ang aking biyanan. Kasi nga, di pa, gusto na niyang bumalik kami sa India.
Whole day I did not eat. Only this is the window, so I have to finish it.
Oh, Ryan. Justifying, Ryan. Someone is hiding the truth, Ryan.
We really have.
I really was there something for him to testify?
Yeah.
What?
Akala ko ba gulay-gulay lang kanina? You wanna eat na?
Ano?
No?
I said I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
I said why not? Sure.
Ah, why not sure?
Go ahead, go.
No, it's okay. I don't want anyone.
Sabi niya, wag mo kong i-video ha, kakain ako ng rice. Okay, we'll blur it. First bite! First bite!
It should not be lack of calories. I have to complete my quota calories.
Oh, kasi yung burger daw, guys, na dalawa, 1,000 daw yun. Tapos yan, 800. So, complete 1,800. Huh?
Wait, isn't he gonna have midnight snack?
Yeah, he'll eat again later. Because his work until 2-3 o'clock. So, we will have some fruits. What else, Daddy?
No.
No, that's it? Okay, we'll see. May project si Ryan, guys. Mga makasaysayang lugar ng Pilipinas or sa Pilipinas. Hindi ako artistic kasi dapat scrapbook ito. Pero hindi nga tayo masyadong talented. So, ang ginawa ko, ito na lang sa Canva. Pa-print ko na lang tapos i-dedicate ni Ryan sa papel or i-design yung scrapbook with the folder. Kaya ito yung ginawa ko. Rizal Park, Aguinaldo Shrine, Corregidor, Pugadlawin Shrine, Intramuros, Fort Santiago, Manila Cathedral, Cruz ni Magellan, at saka Malacanang Palace. O, diba? At least nakakatuwa. Natututunan ni Ryan ang mga historical places dito sa Pilipinas. Is this GMRC na subject? Right? GMRC?
Yeah, yes.
You like Mommy's creation?
Yeah, it's really nice. It's like my mom actually told us about everything and the stories of what happened.
What happened? Oh, okay.
Lucky your mom did. If your father do that one, it would be super nice.
Okay.
Guys, actually got these cards This is some Uno cards. It's actually a custom one from McDonald's. It's like maybe some sort of combination of the anime My Hero Academia and Uno. I actually got this from McDonald's, and they have a lot of things. Like normal Uno cards, they have the normal cards, like the 1, 2, 3 big ones, and even these ones are different because it says My Hero Academia, and the numbers it changed to the characters. It's actually smaller than the normal Uno cards, and it's a little bit less because some Uno cards it has up to like 9, and this thing I think this is only up to 7 or something. Then we also have this one, some Pokemon cards I got from Shopee. Since it's actually a fake type, but I wanted to at least have some Pokemon cards, so I asked my mom for it. She said yes, then I got it. It actually came pretty fast. There's like so many things. Even though it's fake, it still looks really cool. But it's kind of overpowered, so sometimes I ask ChatGPT to make a new one. There are really a lot. See? Look at all of these cards. Some of them look really funny, like this Charizard, and for some reason there are a lot of Charizard VMAXs. If you're a Pokemon person or you know something about it, you should know the Charizard VMAX about it. I don't think you guys really know, because it has some sort of evolution, but even though it's fake, it's still pretty good. And I think that's it. So let me just keep this back in. Then that's it for these two cards, these two packets of cards, Uno and some Pokemon cards.